Guys, in the world of cars, there is luxury and then there is Mercedes-Benz, specifically the S-Class. And this is the all-new Mercedes-Benz S-Class. आज इस वीडियो में I'm gonna show you everything about the car from the outside, from the inside, from the front seat, from the back seat. सब कुछ करने वाले हैं कि आखिर कैसे this car delivers you the best of luxury, the best of comfort, the best of performance, basically the best of everything in this body shell. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है गौरव, आप देख रहे हैं टेक्निकल गुरुजी। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Okay, let's start from the front because this car with the facelift brings in some new elements. You talk about the new headlights. We have new technology going on that's ensuring कि जो light है वो 600 meters तक का throw देती है. Definitely, मतलब what used to be just a small bulb has now transformed into something like this. Of course, we have the Mercedes Star 1 and 2 here. 3 stars on each side in the back as well. And then when you go around this car, what you would notice is a setup of multiple cameras, radars and different sensors to ensure that safety and comfort, the driving assistance, वो सबसे ऊपर आता है. There's a camera right up there. We have radar right behind this plate. You have new set of cameras. For example, the new camera on this side, the same on the other side as well. Of course, multiple cameras on the side view mirrors as well. There are 2 cameras here as well, one wide angle, one telephoto, multiple parking sensors all around. So basically the car can see what you can't see because all around it has multiple set of sensors and cameras ensuring driver safety as well. Now उसके बाद दूसरे हम बात करते हैं गाड़ी की. If you walk in, well, it's kind of like a workout because this is a long car and then you have the long wheelbase as well. I mean, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost 8 comfortable steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Precisely 8. And then this is where you come at the end. We have the S500 right here. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे तो 1, 2, 3. We have 3 stars on this side and 3 stars on this side as well. Multiple options in terms of engine. We have all new 6-cylinder diesel. We have all new 6-cylinder petrol. We have all new V8 mild hybrid system going on all around. और उसके साथ में we have a plug-in hybrid option as well. जहाँ पे 100 किलोमीटर ज़्यादा की रेंज है. Just pure electric range I'm trying to say. And यहाँ पे the maximum time you would spend is either on the front seats or on the back seats, depending how you want to be in your car. Do you want to drive your car? And S-Class owners की बात करते हैं तो mostly it's the back seat diagonal to the driver. And guys, with multiple drivetrain options, multiple kind of customization options, because of course you can choose the color, you can choose the leather, you can customize the car the way you want. Basically this is quite a personal experience. और अगर आपको अभी तक देख के ऐसा लग रहा है कि well this looks like the current ongoing S-Class model, well guys, let me tell you, 50% of the components, they are new or completely redesigned. Basically 2700 components in this car are either new or completely redesigned. तो यहाँ पे it might look familiar in a way, but then again the experience is quite unique. Well, let's move to the inside and let's talk about that. Okay, so guys, let's start from the front seat of this S-Class. सी अगर मैं लग्जरी की बात करता हूँ, कंफर्ट की बात करता हूँ, देन दिस इज द लीस्ट कंफर्टेबल सीट इन द कार, बट स्टिल आई वुड से इट्स क्वाइट कंफर्टेबल एंड इट्स पैक्ड विद टेक, बिकॉज यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे ना, वी हैव सो मेनी स्क्रीन्स गोइंग ऑन. 12.3 इंच डिस्प्ले फॉर द ड्राइवर, 14.4 inch screen as the central infotainment system, and then 12.3 inch display for the co-passenger as well, and it's filled with tech, so much so that we have a camera right here. And why is this camera? I mean, first let's see how's the camera. And this is how the camera looks. Well, you can see me, you can see the camera person, and if you want you can take a picture, and we just took a picture. We can take a video, and yeah, we can just take a video, whatever. Now the reason the camera is here is because you also have meetings. Basically you can take Teams or Zoom meetings while on the move, and then there are cameras on the back seat as well. I'll show you. So basically the system, the latest version of the MBOS is super smart. The system is really powerful, and यहाँ पे you have multiple apps, games. Basically it's like a very powerful computer that's controlling everything. And well guys, Mercedes is the brand that you can trust on, because it says right here 140 years. Basically it's been 140 years जब पहली गाड़ी आई थी in the year 1886, the patent motor wagon, and अभी 140 साल बाद this is what we are transforming into. यहाँ पे हमारे पास में we have new things going on. For example, we have 2 trays for wireless charging. You can keep your phone. 2 USB-C ports यहाँ पे हैं. We have the cup holders. Then you have another set of USB ports and some storage in the central armrest. Steering wheel जो है it's nice leather wrapped. Volume के लिए now we have this scroll wheel, feels quite intuitive to use, very comfortable. नए डिज़ाइन के AC grills हमारे पास में हैं. Burmester sound system आपको पता है Mercedes में it's again best in class. यहाँ पे we have haptic feedback going on. Talk about volume, talk about all these buttons, for example for the 360-degree camera or maybe the drive modes or whatever. So यहाँ पे you get a feedback that okay, the button is being pressed, and overall it's a very solid luxurious experience, given the fact that the seats, everything is so comfortable. And even if आप एक लंबी ड्राइव कर रहे हैं, no issues whatsoever. But well guys, लंबी rides के लिए I think you'd want to be on the back seat of this S-Class. Well, let me go in the back seat and show you what's the real comfort of an S-Class is. So guys, this is the kind of experience that you get in the rear cabin of Mercedes-Benz S-Class, and maximum owners जो हैं वो पीछे बैठने वाले हैं, because this is like a chauffeur-driven experience more or less. तो यहाँ पे जब हम पीछे हैं, I mean, it's definitely a first-class experience with all the luxury. The small attention to detail is here. For example, a small thing. यहाँ पे when I put this out, ये एक slot है for me to put my smartphone. If I want the cup holders, I can just extend it further to have the cup holders. इसके अलावा we talk about the seat, the kind of leather it has, the full comfort around the door, all the controls. मतलब definitely feels that yes, you are in this luxurious space. Talk about speakers. For example, we have the Burmester sound system. हमारे पास में यहाँ पे we have a roof mounted speaker. Talk about the luxury that is there all around. वो यहाँ पे है as a default. But then when you want something extra, when you want to stretch a bit, तो यहाँ पे we have something very special, and that special thing is कि with just press of a button, what I can do is I can just move my seat, and I'll just show you. See what happens when the seat is moving. यहाँ पे front seat is all the way forward. सामने से अभी leg support extend भी होगा. This is the kind of luxury that you get. मतलब traveling in style. I can be here all day long for longer rides in busy traffic, whatever. मेरे को टेंशन की जरूरत नहीं है. I am just enjoying my ride here in full control. And मजे की बात, basically I have my full office on board. तो basically कहने का मतलब ये है कि सामने जो screen है, it has a camera. मैं video calls ले सकता हूँ यहाँ से. I can play games, I can watch movies, I can do whatever work I want to do while I am on this seat. So this is that rear office experience for executives जो Mercedes प्रॉमिस कर रहा है विद दिस न्यू एस क्लास. आई डोंट थिंक कि इससे ज़्यादा लग्जरी की आपको ज़रूरत है while you are on the back seat. You talk about hot stone massage in the seat, वो हमारे पास में ऑप्शन है. Of course you have amazing insulation from the outside world. तो आप यहाँ पे जब अंदर हैं you are in your own zone. I like the fact कि हमारे पास में to control all the systems we have this new device. ये एक मोबाइल फोन की तरह लग रहा है. द एक्सपीरियंस इज क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज अर्लियर आपको पता है यहाँ पे एक बड़ा टैब हुआ करता था एंड वाज नॉट टू इंट्यूटिव, स्पेशली व्हेन यू वांट टू शेयर दैट बिटवीन टू पैसेंजर्स. बट यहाँ पे इंडिविजुअली फॉर बोथ द सीट्स राइट एंड लेफ्ट हमारे पास में ये एक स्मार्टफोन लाइक डिवाइस है. इट गिव्स quite comfortable experience, feels like a phone with the volume buttons on the side, power button on one side. It's completely gesture controlled. मैं यहाँ पे सामने full control कर सकता हूँ. For example, I just open the camera and there is the camera if you see. So camera is right here. I can take a photo, I can take a video. मैं zoom calls ले सकता हूँ. And again guys, this car has all the AI stuff going on as well, all thanks to the latest generation of MBOS. And well, let me return back to my normal position. थोड़ा सा let me be upright, let me not be in my comfort zone for so long. And मुझे लगता है कि the kind of configuration you get in an S class is mind blowing because right now ये एक 5-seat configuration है, meaning you can put this up and basically you have another seat belt for the center occupant. Well, आपको कोई चाहिए नहीं होगा अपने बीच में, but just in case you want to have one extra person. But आप अगर चाहते हैं तो you can get this in a 4-seat configuration as well with a refrigerator right here. Because अभी अगर मैं खोलता हूँ, this is just a trunk pass through, but otherwise you'll have a refrigerator right here. You'll have tray tables. So the kind of luxury you get in an S class, I think, is definitely a game changer. Guys, now it's time for me to drive this car. Guys, even in the front seat, the driving experience of this all-new S-Class is definitely something which is full of luxury. I mean, power comes as a default, of course, because I am in the S580, जिसमें एक 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine है. The max power is 496 horses. So basically, the moment I push it, the car just flies. I mean, this feels at home, to be honest. And जब मैं इसको चला रहा हूँ, मतलब it's ever so smooth and the car is just gliding through everything. मुझे अगर instant push करना, I can just do a quick overtake. See, no problems, and I can just come back to my lane. So this is the kind of experience that you get while you're in an S-Class, like the signature Mercedes-Benz experience that you expect. So guys, I am pushing the car because I am on the Autobahn, and this is 200. This stretch has no speed limit. This is 230 and right now we are at 255. I think this is electronically limited at, because I am at 256, 255. This is the top speed of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, the S580. Even the braking is like slow and smooth. No rush guys, no rush, because remember, you are in a luxury sedan, so it has to perform like this. This is what you get when you are inside this S-Class. मुझे ड्राइव करके बहुत मजा आ रहा है and I'm sure कि आप इस गाड़ी में अगर अंदर हैं, no matter which seat you pick, you definitely gonna enjoy your ride in this, the latest generation S-Class. So guys, there you have it. I mean, from the illuminated grille to the illuminated star to the all-new engine to the all-new feel, this is the all-new S-Class right here. What an amazing car to drive, to be driven in, to just look at, or to just enjoy. This is what true luxury is. This is what Mercedes-Benz defines as true luxury. The best from Mercedes-Benz, the all-new S-Class. इंडिया में जल्दी लॉन्च होगी आने वाले कुछ टाइम में, बट yeah, I might have it in Dubai. You know the number. It's not 6877. Has to be 9789. Who knows? Yeah, I'm impressed. दोस्तों आप बताइए आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा, आपको ये गाड़ी कैसी लगी. वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करते हुए नीचे कमेंट करते हुए क्या है मन की बात लिखना मत भूलना. मैं आपसे मिलता हूँ अगले वीडियो में. फिलहाल इतना ही. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.